the equation. Okay, ni nampak ni boleh nampak ni. Okay, jap. Okay, so this is the equation. So we have K 100 over S plus 5 kuasa 2 ni power of 2. So from this we can divide by 3 3 ke 4 ke berapa ni. Jadi kalau kita lihat kat sini 100 tapi kan sekejap 100. Okay, boleh, tak ada masalah. So kalau kita lihat kat sini 25 0.25. Okay, dia macam ni. Boleh juga kalau nak macam ni. Sekejap ada orang masuk. Tak ada, okey dah. Boleh tapi tak ada masalah. Awak punya jawapan ni okey je. Tapi kan, sekejap saya tengok. Okay, saya conteng sikit tapi sini Okay, kita kalau if we have this system sini so we have K, G, H. So we have K 100 S plus 5 kuasa 2. So kita boleh kembangkan. So K equal to 1, betul? So kita ada S plus 5, S plus 5. So kita nak dia, okay, nak apa? Based on first order system. Okay, so from this, refer to this. So kita akan ada macam ni lah. So kita ada kejap 100, kita biar dulu. So jadi kita nak apa? Kita nak bahagi semua. So jadi kita akan ada berapa? Kita nak macam ni, sekejap ini tak, kita boleh buat macam ni. Sekejap. Kita ada 100, senang macam ni. 100 1 over S sama macam ni lah. 5 1/5. Ini kaedah cara yang basic, sangat-sangat basic lah. Okay, so jadi kita nak yang ni jadi yang ni. Kita nak yang ni jadi yang ni. Sama juga. Yang ni pun nak macam ni. Okay, so kita buat satu-satu boleh. So kita buat 100, 1 campur S. So jadi 1 dengan 5. Berarti 1 campur dengan 0.2S. Betul? So jadi 1.0.S. Jadi 1/5. 1 campur dengan 0.2 S. Okay. So kalau kita lihat kat sini, okay, 55 25. 1 over 25 kali dengan 100. Berapa bit? 100 divide by 25. 4 kan? 4. 1 per S. So jadi kita ada 1 per ni. Okay. Campur dengan 1 per this. Sama okay. So ini tak ada masalah, betul juga. Okay. Kalau nak simple lah. So jadi kita ada G1. This is G1. This is G2. This is G3. Sama juga this is G4. Boleh, sama kurang. Okay. So kita ada 4 G. So daripada sini. Okay. So jadi G1 sama dengan 4. Kita ada G okay, DB 20 log 4. Okay, G1 kosong. So okay, tak ada masalah. Sama okay. So jadi G1. So G2. So we have G2 sama dengan 1 over S. So G2 in DB. So we have negative 20 log omega. Okay. So this is G2. So phase for G2 adalah 90. Negative 90. Okay. Ni yang awak buat ni. So, 20. Baik. Ini salah sikit apa ni. Kuasa 2 bagi 2. Ni tak boleh. Ini masih negatif 20 apa Taufik?
Okey doktor.
Ya okey. So yang ni negatif 20 sebab dia power of 2 root habis selesai. So jadi kita tak ada apa-apa. Tak apa. So jadi we have G1, G2 and G3. So G3 we have 1 over campur 0.2S. Okay. So we have G3 So we have 20 log 1 plus 0.2 omega square negative 2. So kita ada, we have 20 negative 20 log 1 0.2 omega square. Square. Okay. So our G3 is negative tangent 0.2 omega. So same what the G3, same G4. So G3 divisible. So we have G4 sama G semua lah ni double 2. Okay.
Bukan negative 10 ke?
Negative 10 ya. Sebab sorry jap. Ini Allah Akbar. Okey ni 10 10. Masih. Okey. Baik. 10 baik. Masih banyak. Okey, so jadi okay dah selesai dah. So this is the okay. So we need to provide the formula for gain and phase every sub transfer function sub system. So jadi selesai finish on this. Kalau nak cantik lagi you boleh buat ini untuk breakpoint lah breakpoint from here is 5. Yang ni pun breakpoint G4 is 5. Apa kita ada 2 lah, biar 2. Okay, so in term of in term of phase, so we have 0, negative ni. Okay, so jadi ni Taufik dah select the suitable omega, so we just follow so negative 90 until ni. Okay, tak ada masalah. Okay, now try to concentrate on line line. So we have 4G, G1, G2, G3, G4. Okay, based on ni. Okay, okay, so jadi kita ada the breakpoint. We only have 3 breakpoint. 2 okay, actually we have 2. One is crossing at 1 and breakpoint at 5, but 2 into line. 2 line Okay, so jadi sekarang ni nanti okay, sekarang now 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Okay, so Taufik come up with value of omega is 0.01. Okay, selesai ni, tak ada masalah. So 1, 10, 10. Okay, good. So ni omega. Okay, so every point atau every unit is 20. 20 Okay, tak ada masalah. Okay, so now G1 we have 4 sama macam Syafiq. So we have 20 log 4. So kita dapatlah G1. So you need to come up with G1. Show. Okay, the line of G1. Okay, G2 is crossing to crossing to where is the crossing to the ni crossing at 1, but the gradient is negative 20. Okay, habis ni selesai, finish. Okay, this is G2. Okay, G3 kita ada, we have G3 kita ada sama, same with ni. Okay, sama. Okay, so G3 and G4. Okay. Okay, PSM. Okay, so jadi ada apa-apa soalan? So any question you want to ask? Ada soalan? Lah?
Boleh lagi.
Boleh lagi, okay, good. So jadi selesai, finish this. Ada lagi tak nak masuk? Oh, ada lagi dah. Okay, jom. Mana pula dah? Okay. Okay. So jadi sekarang ni kita nak dia cantum ataupun combine with all subsystem. So we have G1 last because of the gain. So we need to combine G2, G3 and G4. Okay, now start from 0.1 until 1 until 5 until 1 is we also don't have any gradient involved except this line G2. until we have G1. So G1 sini tau. So this is for G2 and 5, G2 and 3 is 3 and 4 is in the pi. Okay, so nak tak nak kita akan buat satu line lah. Buatlah line putus-putus ke apa ke, tak ada masalah. For example now, try to come up with dash line. Okay, this is combination between G2, G3 and G4. Okay. Start from here. We have 3 gradient. One gradient is G2. Second gradient is G3. Third gradient is G4. So mean negative 20, negative 20, negative 20 means we have negative 60. We have negative 60. So negative 60 kita kena cari. So we need to define where is the 60. So where is 60 kena cari. So jadi ni 20. So 40. So now until here to here 40. Kita kena count benda ni. Okay, berapa ni yang sini here to here how much? Jadi kalau kita lihat kat sini 1 2 3 4 5 5 is represent as 20. So mean 5 kali 4. So 4 lah. 4 So now 4 sini 4. So we have 1 2 3 4 here until here. This here is 60. Okay, so one cycle is 1 decade. Start to 5 until 50. So now 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 here. So kita akan scroll down, go to here, sini. So ambil pembaris, use your ruler, then you come out ni. Okay, sama ni sini. Sini. Sampai habis. Okay, finish. This is combination between G2, G3 and G4. Selesai. Ni awak buat berapa Taufik? Awak punya ni 40
Saya salah.
Tak apa, jangan risau. Sebab kalau double line ni maksudnya kita need to consider double. So negative 40 and negative 20, 60 tau. So jadi dah selesai. So finish this and then lastly we need to shift all this double dot line to G1 ni. Kalau G1 ni based my calculation 20 log 4. Tapi kalau yang Syafiq punya pun sama juga, tak ada masalah. So nanti kita katalah ikut yang saya punya ni 20 log 4, katalah log 4 ni berapa kalau log 4 tolong? Katalah 12. So 12. So shift all this double line ni to 12. So jadi kena kira lah 12. 4 ni sini. 4, 8, 12 here. So ambil ni, use your ruler. Ni 12 to 8, 12 to 8 here, somewhere here. Ambil je sikit-sikit pun tak apa. 2, sini. 2, 4, 8, sini. Okay. Ambil pembaris ni jangan ikut saya, kena ambil use your ruler. You will get this. Oh Allah, hancur. Okay. Use this. Sorry. Okay, dah selesai. This is the final line combination between G1, G2, G3, G4. So selesai benda ni. Then follow by phase. So phase we have several location based on our omega. Then we follow, we trust this Taufik, then we will get this. Okay, selesai finish. So now we are looking for phase margin and gain margin. Okay, in term of refer to the refer to the gate phase. Kita akan refer to negative 80. So ambil ni, buatlah satu line. Okay, 180 negative, you put a line. Buatlah satu line. Okay, buatlah satu line. Okay, buat satu line. Saya kecilkan. Okay, okay, saya buat satu line. So, saya akan buat warna apa pula? Hijau lah. Okay. So, jadi sekarang ni, okay, tengok kat sini. So, this is the intersection kan. Sama kan, ni di intersection ni. Kalau kita lihat kat sini, the intersection 180 pass to the line face, kita akan unjurkan. Unjurkan sini. Oh, nampak tak yang tak berapa ikhlas ni ada ruang ni? Lebih kurang berapa ni? Oh ni. Sini. Katalah 4. Sini sikit je ni. 4 lah. 4. So kita ada dB 4 dB. So the formula for gain is 20 log GM, gain margin equal to 4. 4. So jadi GM equal to, nanti awak akan dapat jawapan. Tahu? Ni sini. Untuk for apa ni, sekejap saya kepala lain pula. Okay. For phase margin, okay, you nampak tak ada intersection crossing omega ni? Omega ni omega kita kan? Omega here. Here ni. So buat scroll down. Go down. Okay. Go down sini. Sini. Tu ada ruang. In between negative 80 line to our ni. Ini antara sini ke sini. So jadi kita ada dia ni adalah gamma. Where is phase? So kalau kita lihat kat sini, refer to Taufik table. Okay. Okay, we have 1 unit is equal to berapa Syafiq? 1 unit is equal to berapa Syafiq? Syafiq buat berapa ni? 90
Ya betul. 90.
90 okay.
Dua ni 90.
Okay, 90 2 unit. 2 mean, okay, apa maksud dia? So 1 unit represent how many angle? So kalau kita lihat kat sini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 9 degree. So 9 degree. So here is approximate lebih kurang 10 macam tu lah. 10 darjah. 10 darjah. So kalau kita lihat kat sini, dia closing upper one box, small box ni. So one upper box ni is represent as 9. 9 is close to 10. Macam tu lah. So apa yang saya dapat ni 10 lebih kurang lah. Okay. So ada apa-apa soalan tak? You have any question?
Boleh ulang balik tak phase margin?
Phase margin ni, ambil persilangan antara omega line ni dengan line final ni, persilangan dia tu. Lepas tu go down. Maksudnya scroll down. Lepas tu ni, antara ni. Sekejap. Antara ni. Ni dengan ni. Kecil aja ni.
Oh, okay faham.
Ya. Okay. Yang lain? Senyap lain ni. Awak ambil juga ke kaedah perangka semalam?
Tak ambil.
Ada lah, kita ambil. Okay. Sebab section sebelah sedih. Sebabnya itulah soalan susah kot. Tak cukup masa kan susah. Okay, tak apa. So jadi ada soalan tak? So jadi faham So, jadi kita akan dapat ni. Okay, so nanti saya akan bagi contoh lah. I will give you the example, another example. So okay, I give you another, apa dia panggil another apa? Okay, another ni. Okay, another contoh example where okay, jap saya cerita sekarang. Okay. So ni tak payah buat lah, ni just saya akan bagi contoh. I will share this solution to the class. Okay, so we have this. Okay, this is the one of the system, and then we need to come up with the subsystem to represent as the concept of apa dipanggil concept of our transfer function. So maybe we have the integrator, differentiator, lead, let, or whatever. So from here we have we can divide by 4g. So 1g represent as this 1 plus ts. This g is represent as s over s square. Maksudnya ada dua kali we have 2 times 1 over s. And we have g3 here, and we have g4 here. So we total we have 4. Basically 5, but they are try to skip. Try to make a short form. So jika kita ada 4. So then you need to come up with the gain and phase. Okay, and then please write your breakpoint titik pecah ni, your omega break. We have 0.8. We have 1, we have 2, and we have 8. So okay, so selesai benda ni. Okay, finish this to show the analysis on gain and phase, and we need to come up with the table. Block diagram, boot diagram in the semi-log. Okay, so from here, if you can see, still we using 0.1 as the omega, 1, 10, and 100. And then the 1 unit is represent as 20, 40, negative 20, and negative 40. Okay, selesai. So you need to come up with line by line because we have 4 line actually in this case. So dari sini, so line 1 is we have G1 because of 1 plus TS is positive gradient 20. Okay, 0.8 SAS sini. So now another one, G2. G2 is 1 over S, 1 over S square. So they straight away put gradient negative 40. Jadi tak perlulah ada dua-dua. Dia maksudnya boleh sekali arung, tak ada masalah. So jadi negative 40. So ambil sini. So this G2 represent as 1 over S square. So dah selesai ni, finish for G2, then G3. G3, so we have breakpoint 2, then we have G3, okay, G4, okay, G4, another one, we have this, ni, and we have this, okay, G4. Okay, so G4 is breakpoint at 8, so kita dapat sini. So now we are, okay, we need to do combination, gradient, If you can see here, start from 0.1 until 0.8. Say we don't have any involvement on others gradient, so maintain. So you buatlah sini sampai sini. And then after 0.8 until where? Until 2. Until 2, because after 2 we have 3 gradient. Now we only have 2 before 2. Okay, so now we only have 2. So now from 2, start from here, and then we have negative 20, negative 40, then we need to come up with negative 60. Okay, sorry, this is positive and this is the negative 40. So the gradient is changing to negative 20. So jadi kita kena come up with negative 20. So start from 0.8 until 8, and then you need to find 20 here, somewhere here, come up with one new gradient. Okay, after this, okay, after 2 until where? Until 8. Until 8 we have 4 gradient. 3 gradient. 1, 2, 3. So where we have negative 40, negative 20 plus 20. So boleh slash go to negative 40. So jadi start from here, you need to find the gradient negative 40, and then one cycle. So start from 2 until 20. Sampai sini lah. So jadi you come out with one gradient. Until here saja. Walaupun our continuous to here to circle, to one cycle, tapi tak boleh sebab the boundary is until here. Okay, sampai sini je lah. Jadi tak apalah. But the angle is still negative 40. Okay, until here we have how many line? 1, 2, 3, 4 line. So where we have negative 40, negative 20, negative 20 plus plus 20. So we have negative 60. So step negative 60. So looking for 60 and then one cycle. So 8 and until 8, 80. So here you just come up with here. So in this case, we don't have gain. Gain tak ada gain. So after this, okay, come up with this draft and then you make it align a little bit thickness okay, tebalkan sikit dia tu, warna black ke apa ke tak ada masalah, brown ke apa ke, then you will get this final final sketching combination all this system. So kita dapat ni. So this is GH, mean total of the system. So kita selesai. So now we continue to phase. So phase like what our friend Taufik did. So we have this. So with this and then do some calculation and then we have several point, and from this point then you come up with like this. So jadi come up like this. Okay, what happened now? Now we are looking for gain margin and phase margin. So gain margin and phase margin, okay, start from here. Okay, start from here. If the intersection of this gain, okay, intersection gain into the omega, and then you will go slow down, and then the apa dia panggil space ni, ruang ni antara di in between negative 180 to this line is represent as gamma, or we call phase margin. And the intersection of negative 80 and then go okay, scroll up until this space we have in between this line omega to the our line here, we have gain margin. We have gain margin is 12 dB, but we have the own own formula where we have 20 log gain margin equal to 12, because what we find this value is the decibel. So we need to do some calculation, okay, and we find gain margin is equal to 3.98. Sama lah buat yang tadi yang kita buat latihan, sama. Okay. So nanti nanti saya akan bagi satu nilai, saya akan bagi jawapan nanti. Kalau katalah in case some question they will ask you to find K. Okay, K ada trick dia nanti. Tak apa, buat slow dulu. Ada soalan tak? You have any question on this? I will share with you this example. So example 4, 5 and the stability. So please try to answer this question. They will easy to get mark compared to question 2, question 1. So root locus compulsory, you need to get as much as you can mark, and question 4 and then question 1 and then question 2. Question 2 you need to come up with all the information formulation a lot. Jadi kita insyaAllah next week before we have exam. Your exam is 16 so nanti 4 days 5 days before exam I will try to come up with revision to you lah. Alam ke macam mana tengok lah. Okay, ada soalan tak? Senyap aja.
So kalau tak ada gain, line yang last tu akan jadi line reference
Ya, jadi maintain. Tak payah lagi apa-apa.
Oh, okay.
Ya. It depend. Kalau ada gain, baru kita shift semua last. If we do have the gain, tak ada apa-apa gain, tak payah. Okay, so nanti tengok balik video I share with you video with Dr. Tang. It's very helpful to get to more information, understanding on what we are trying to learn this semester. Okay, tak faham apa-apa, you can WhatsApp me, then I will try to help you. Boleh? Okay, ada soalan lagi? Lain ada? Kelas, mana pergi awak semua? Aisyah, Azman, diam ya. Ting Chi ni, Nur Ain, Kahmun, Joni. Lalu tanya-tanya ni diam Awak ada ujian ke malam ni? Norin, Badrul, Danish, Wafi. Tanya juga, hari ni diam. Jacob, ada juga bersuara tapi diam. Okay, tak apa. I will give you several question. Then I hope you can make buat tau. Okay, so tak ada soalan, kita stop kelas. So terima kasih banyak-banyak. Thank you very much. Good luck. Happy Chinese New Year. Jaga diri baik-baik, jaga kesihatan. Assalamualaikum.
Terima kasih, Doktor.
Baik.
Okay, Doktor.
Baik.
Thank you, Doktor.
Doktor.
Thank you, Doktor.
Thank you, Doktor.